Hello, let us do coding. And before, the senior gave me the sound code let me to reference. He is wide, very quick. So today, I want to give you a try how to make the code better. Dashboard. Keep sharp public index. Yeah. So this time we can look at we have the toolkit, but we don't know what is detail. I want to implement the customer login. Customer login. No, but first we have to uh, register. We have to implement the register. Okay, so we go back to the index.php. No, because it's a header. Help me implement the registers feature. To implement the register features, you take steps. You will need it. So first we have to create this table. As we look at my customers database table, that is to check. Nothing. MySQL. Okay, we can look at this cake shop. We already had this customer. So we go back to the customers. If we already had customers page, customer, would you like me to generate register PHP? I said, okay, help me generate the register.php. Yes, help me. My register.php is already created. Cake shop. DB is cake shop. Let us to check it. Cake shop, yeah. The user is root. Password just DSN post contact. Is post. If name or email, no password, all files are returned. Select the ID from customers where email is equal to. That's No, select the ID for customers where email is equal to something. Hash password. We have to using this. Here's had the hash password by the hash word passwords function. Statement SPDO that prepared insert into customer value that we provide the name, email, password, and the contact. And accept. We have a list. Go to here's widget. If you said it will I denote the list. Oh, okay. It's time to give it. When he set the button submit, he will go to here. If server that request the method is equal to something, the request URL not found on this server. Hmm? What? New chat. I have to ask the AI if when I click submit button, I get How to resolve it? When I click oh, sorry. The Asian equal the list PHP feature. Yeah, register is deceased. We we have to debug the PHP, but I don't know how to do. Maybe he can connect to our database. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Server navigation tree, navigation panel. So this time we have to go to debug PHP. PHP INI. We want to check the error log. Yes. Checklist example var loader PHP error. Send PHP logs. PHP logs. Hmm? I can find. Here is record logs. You can find the Um, no, I think fun. Help me. I have to someone teach me how to debug.
What's up everybody, the Codeholic is here and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to enable Xdebug 3 in XAMPP installation with PHP 8.1 and debug PHP applications in VS Code. First, we will debug traditional PHP application in browser with multiple PHP files in a folder. Then we will debug MVC framework.
So, extension. PHP debug. Yes, maybe Douglas. I install when I install successful. Okay, the first time I want to debug. Yeah, debug this. Go back to localhost. Package public. We want to register. It's something just type. But okay, this is email. This can debug. Let's do check. If you found this extension useful, the first we have to install this intention, but could be installed on your server. We have to install this first. We open. um something different. This install rejoin. We have this PHP in 4. So we go back to the public test.php. We echo we PHP echo. Hello? No, we want to echo print in 4. So we start with this time. We can go back to our test.php. Yeah, here is it in 4. We copy the all. Go back to his past. We have a download list. Download list, move the download file to sender. This exporter PHP ESD and rename it into the song. Copy. Okay. Xdebug. Rename it to PHP Xdebug. 在第二个 make it like this. And we have to go back to PHP inks. This. Since extension. Extensions we using Opunch, but we have to change it to Xdebug. Xdebug we set for this one. We close. And then maybe we restart the all. Okay, the all is restart. So I go back to here. This document. Street dot stream version 3. So we have a we have to choose this. Go back to PHP. Yes. Edit to line. Restart your web server, reloading the system. Check how to debug session. Okay, maybe this is Apache. Restart Apache. We go back to our browser. PHP. Okay. Restart. Yes. We found this debug is no, so fine. Maybe it's just change this from here to change this name. It's like this. It's T here. So instead of this one, we start the old server. We start the old server. I want this. Cast. No. We have to enter this, so we have to delete his first note. Okay. We restart. Aperture server. Go back to his stuff. Yeah, let's debug. So go back to extension PHP. We want to test these registers PHP. We go back to the index PHP first. Public. We register. Click some names. Click some email. Contact 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Register. Huh? It's either to how to debug code just maybe it's fine. Register PHP. We just the PHP the close is OS show. Sounds the request URL was not found on this server. So maybe we have to broken we have to create the login PHP, we we have the login PHP, so it will shows you have to create a login. Maybe he's wrong this field. He doesn't run at least. He will run the HTML first, but when he detects we without the login PHP, he will show the error. So we have need create a new login PHP. Yeah. We found battery. So the reviewer file will click shop the root password error customer ID. Hello. I hope it's the audio record. But if oh, here's my order. So index my copy the link insert my order. No, maybe it's hidden. My order. The registration customer ID is assist. Cool. Then maybe take the rest.